Hey guys, we're doing hamburger number 5 today on my quest to find the best hamburger in Melbourne, and I'm rushing to do it because we're going into another lockdown. So, let's see what this hamburger's like. I've heard some good things. Have you, thanks.
Is that all for today?
That's it, thank you.
That's $18.
Called Burger Troy, and apparently they do one of the best burgers in Melbourne. So let's see what it's all about, and hopefully it tastes good. This joint's in St Kilda, just opposite Luna Park. You can't miss it. Here comes my meal. Thanks, mate. Thanks, brother. Thank you very much. Enjoy. Thank you. Got my meal. Take this bloody mask off. Got some chips to go with it. Look at that. That looks awesome. And I love the presentation. This is awesome. It really tastes nice. Got food all over me again. Very busy. A lot of people are coming in, and the place looks fantastic. Good atmosphere. One thing I really noticed here, everything is really fresh. Tomatoes fresh, onions. It just looks like it's all been freshly cut. The music's killing me, but well, it doesn't matter. But this is awesome. Check that out. You know, really nice patty. It's thin, it's not thick. I can get my mouth around it, which is great. Man, they've done this really well. And the burger came in a little pocket like this, you know. Awesome. Really, really good. Where do I rank this? We'll have to wait and see. Very yummy. Yeah, it's good. I'm enjoying this.
Give me some of these.
Oh, thanks, man.
Taste test. I've got a red velvet Oreo.
Yep.
I've got a Snickers.
Yep.
A pistachio and a Biscoff.
Great. And you're the proprietor here, or
No,
no?
I just steer the ship. How's all the food?
Oh, fantastic, man. I'm enjoying it. Really
Thank
good.
you very much. I'm glad to hear it.
Yeah, fantastic. Thank you very much. So, I've got some sweets given to me, which is fantastic. I'll probably take them home and eat. I won't eat them here, but extremely nice. Some Greek sweets.
Yeah, I'll take them home. I can't eat them here. Really friendly service. So, yeah, I would recommend coming here and trying it out. Yeah, 100%. Very fresh, very nice. I recommend it. Come down and check it out. Burger Troy. It looks good, it tastes good, and yeah, 100%. Come down and check it out. It's really good. I love this idea. This is really good. You know, it saves you sort of slobbering with your bloody hamburger all over the joint. Okay, let's move on.
Back up popping with the cool. I just landed in Chase B.
My absolute
It was fantastic, really good.
fabulous. I'm glad
And
to
I
hear it.
love the little pocket, you know, for holding the burger. It was
Yeah, they're good. aren't
great
they?
idea.
Yeah, we've got a fabulous in-house artist.
Okay, thank you very much.
My absolute pleasure.
And get a good positive review there. Thanks, guys.
Thank you very much.
See you then.
I'll see you next.
So this is Burger Troy in St Kilda. It's opposite Luna Park. Highly recommended. Come down and check it out. So that was Burger Troy. Yeah, it was pretty good. I enjoyed it. I was bloody hungry and I got some free food.